Konbanwa minasan.
ようこそ私のソウルソサイティ
అమెరికాయా
I am Lord Frieza, Emperor of the Universe.
The One Piece is real.
What I'm saying is, guns aren't for threatening people.
Huh?
Hello everyone, my name is Afrin.
Arul Rana.
Seram Ram Prajwal.
सार्थक जवर,
Rudresh Mohapatra. Joshi Kaki Kera aka Garv Kumar.
Brahma Reddy.
गोकुल वैमोरी,
Ayush.
Arnav Gowde.
నివేదిత సోమసుందరం
Angshuman.
Uday.
हिमांशु कुमार,
అక్షర మురళీకృష్ణ
Gokul.
Joshua Raj.
భూమి గర్గ్
शोनेन बट उसका ओनली मेहनत वाला पार्ट, ना पावर्स है, ना लव इंटरेस्ट है, ना कुछ है, बस मेहनत मेहनत मेहनत.
It's like Isekai, as the life I'm living right now is not the same as the life I lived outside.
I would say Isekai because I got hit by a bus like 2 or 3 times.
Isekai because it's a whole new different world here.
For me, it was a slice of life comedy where every day was a filler.
Mine is slice of life because my life is cut into slices.
My life in KGP till now has been a rom-com without any rom.
I would say mystery and thriller because I don't know what the hell is going on. I don't know what the hell is going to come in my life.
Me too, kid.
Detective because I'm still in the search of the one.
I'd say mine resembles a psychological thriller. It's because मेरे academics और मेरी societies साथ में मिलके मेरे को like मैं पागल हो जाती हूँ.
I would say first of all tragedy because I'm in electronics, slice of life because I don't do anything in my life, and psychology because I keep overthinking all the time.
Tragedy, because one after the other mishaps keep happening.
Mine would be tragedy and I think it's self-explanatory.
Mine's a horror. I've seen a lot of scary seniors.
Anime is the superior form of media.
Anime because you can actually see things move and also have color, and also anime music fucking slaps.
Anime because it has animation.
Anime, because the animation and sound elevate the experience to another level.
Anime because I'm too broke to buy a manga. Manga because as an artist I can much better appreciate the art in manga.
Manga because I can spoil other people.
Manhwa because I'm impatient.
It's obviously manhwa because manga has panels, anime has art and color. Manhwa has both.
बात तो सही है.
It would be Zoro. You like baddies, damn baby.
Misa Amane because she's an obsessed freak.
Well, in my case, it would be Griffith.
Gowde wilding, huh?
Speedwagon, because who doesn't love money?
I'll choose Maki. Must watch Solo Leveling. Greatest anime of all times.
I would say Vinland Saga because it's an amazing show with great plot, excellent characters and lots of amazing themes. Not just about how war is bad but also about religion and class politics and a lot of other things. Definitely go check it out.
I would recommend Eminence in Shadow. It's so cringe that it's based.
Food Wars because it contains some pretty intense and explosive scenes.
I'll recommend Akane ga Kill because I want to see depressed faces everywhere.
I would recommend everyone to watch Erased.
I recommend Classroom of the Elites because I like how Ayano Koji crushes the souls of the others.
I would like to recommend Reincarnated as a Slime, Rimuru OP.
I would like to recommend Astra Lost in Space. It has a lot of plot twist and you'll never be able to guess the ending. Go watch it.
I would recommend Tomodachi game because the line hit me, which is more important, friendship or money?
Money.
One Piece, because obviously One Piece is peak.
I would recommend Psycho Pass to everyone because it has a very interesting crime premise and the villain is sexy.
मार्च कम्स इन लाइक अ लायन, मतलब ऐसा एनिमे और कोई होगा नहीं. इट एक्सप्लोर्स थीम्स जो कोई और एनिमे नहीं करता है.
Hunter x Hunter because it is the most child friendly anime.
I would like Koro Sensei as my EC prof.
I need Riaz Grimuri. Then I could be her pawn.
Sandu and Makima, there are too many dogs in LBS.
I need Sunada as my prof to get a full attendance.
Not full, 106%.
The character I would kill is Nina from Code Geass. Of course, why not?
Boruto because he's a spoiled brat and deserves it.
The character that I would want to kill is Mahito from Jujutsu Kaisen. क्यों? क्योंकि वो बहुत ही बेकार कैरेक्टर है. उसने आके सिर्फ गलत चीजें करी हैं.
The MC from Rent a Girlfriend. He is God's favorite fumbler.
The character I would kill will be Gabby in AOT. I would say Shinji Ikari from Evangelion, and I would like to leave this up to interpretation.
Okay, please don't judge me. Johan Lieber from Monster.
Shoyo Hinata from Haikyuu. I would say Tomozaki from Jakakera Tomozaki because I am a Jakakera.
Just because Bleach 1000 Year Blood Wars is there, it doesn't make Bleach better than One Piece.
It shouldn't be a crime to say I like Anya out in public.
Okay, so Hisoka liking young kids doesn't make him a he just cares for them.
I think Konosuba is a pretty good world to live in.
I wanna live as a side character in Attack on Titan because it's the easiest way out.
I like to be in No Game No Life.
No game, no life because I can bet all I have and win big.
I like to be in Pokemon and I want to raise my own world-class Pokemon team.
Pokemon because I could travel with Pokegirls.
Being a stone in Dr. Stone is a pretty peaceful world.
World's End Harem.
Why guard an empty throne when you can protect someone who is right before you? Arise! I look forward to fighting alongside you.
Editing में काट दूंगा भाई.
I like to be in No Wife. Oh, sorry. No Wife.
फन फैक्ट अबाउट मी, मतलब यूनिक फैक्ट है. बचपन में मैंने खेलते खेलते अपनी बहन का शोल्डर डिसलोकेट कर दिया.
Hash include stdio.h, printf, hello world.
Semicolon.